Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show us how we can simplify this radical expression. Alright, solution. So we have 5 plus 2 root 6 over 5 minus 2 root 6. Alright, we are going to find the conjugate. What's the conjugate of the denominator? Okay, conjugate of 5 minus 2 root 6 is 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay, so conjugate of 5 minus 2 root 6 is 5 plus 2 root 6. So we are going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugates of this denominator. So then we have this to be 5 plus 2 root 6 over 5 minus 2 root 6 multiplied by the conjugates 5 plus 2 root 6 over 5 plus 2 root 6. Alright, so let's expand now. Let's multiply this. So we have 5 plus 2 root 6 multiplied by 5 plus 2 root 6. Then we have 5 minus 2 root 6 multiplying 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay, now let's say how we expand. We do 5 times 5 is 25. This is 25. Okay, then we do 5 times 2 root 6. That will be 10 root 6. Alright, because this 5 multiply this 2 and you have root 6. Then the next one is this 2 root 6 times 5 will also give us 10 root 6 because 5 multiplies 2. Then we have 2 root 6 multiplies 2 root 6. 2 and 2 multiply each other, that's 4. Then root 6 multiply root 6, that is root 36. Over 5 times 5 is also 25. 5 times plus 2 root 6 will give us plus 10 root 6. Then minus 2 root 6 times 5 will give us minus 10 root 6. And minus 2 root 6 times plus 2 root 6 will give us minus, plus times minus will give us minus. Then these 2 and these 2 is 4. Then the 6 and the 6, root 6 and root 6 will give us root 36. Alright, we continue. We have 25 plus 10 root 6 plus 10 root 6 are like terms to give us 20 root 6 plus this 4. Root 36 is 6. Okay, root 36 is 6. Then over, we have 25 plus 10 root 6 minus 10 root 6 cancel each other. That will give us 0 minus this 4. Square root of 36 is 6. Alright, so we have 25 plus 20 root 6 plus 4 times 6 is 24 over, we have 25 minus 4 times 6 is 24. Right, so we can collect like times. So we have 25 plus 24. Put them together. 25 plus 24 plus 20 root 6 over 25 minus 24 here is 1. Okay, so finally 25 plus 24 will give us 49 plus 20 root 6. Final answer. Now 49 plus 20 root 6 over 1 will still give us this. So this is our final answer. Alright, so let's try something similar to that. Let's try this. Okay, so let's simplify 4 plus root 7 over 4 minus root 7. Alright, so let's simplify this and write our answer under the comment section.